you can't literally cannot see any of it. The only thing that you can see how many win percentage did he has, which is kind of suck. Because if you want to go late game, like just like me, I want to go late game. I what happened is, you see your opponent and you see how much better score do he has. If his if better score is not good, I mean around 1000 and 2000, it definitely means he does not carries a super monkey with him. So you got go late game with him, because two things is going to happen. Whether this guy is going to end up rushing you, which he probably not gonna do, or he going to end up losing at a very early game, like around 30 or around 35, because he does not carry a great temples or sun god or all these stuff that can let him go late game. So this is kind of suck. But now you can also cannot see how many wins or how many losses your opponent have. It is kind of great. You can only see alright, where we can put, you can only see how many win percentage that he has. So alright, I don't know how this happened, but we are totally out of money right now, totally out of money. So we are going to need to get on the track of eco. I'm trying to send him eco, but there are so many lags are going on his side. I'm definitely sure that I'm not carrying any lags over here. He's going to carry right now a lot of lags. Like seriously, I can send one ping at a time only. I mean seriously, man, just because of his say 10 vacuums, we are carrying a lot of lag. Seriously, oh my god, we are having so much lags. Man, well, there have to be a one little bit changes in the game. Like if you want to send someone balloon, you just need to hold. You just need to tap once, two, once, two, once, two. Like right now, I'm sending him pings. Like I have to tap like a lot more time taps. If I just like hold it, the balloons will go like without stopping over here. So this is a cool update that I wanted. But the new update which came over here, I really don't like it. I mean, look at my side. Cool. Oh, I nearly didn't upgrade this one. This shooting dart, technological terror. There you go. Alright, I think back on the track of eco, because round 88 is here, and I can't believe that we have only eco of 13,395. Oh my god. I wish I have to have a eco around 20,000 by here, but now we don't need to upgrade our little bit more, because I'm pretty sure there are two things going to be happen: whether he's going to surrender or he's going to lose. Seriously, we have all our boosts running up here. You know what? If I send him a lot of Zomai BFBs back to back, he definitely going to end up losing. I mean, what in the world is going at his side? Literally, no one can tell what is going on his side. Oh my god, I don't know what is going on his side. What we say? Alright, we have enough money. Now I'm thinking do a little bit more abrasion. Come on. Where should we put this side? I'm pretty sure that he has at least one Moab from round 80 or maybe round 85. He still didn't destroy that one, and alright, and around 90 is here. We are like around 40 minutes in this video, and the countdown in this game is showing only 34 minutes. Alright, so we are getting so many lags over here, so many lags. Need more technological terror. Well, that would be freaking amazing if we reach round 100 or something like that, because I seriously never reach round 100. I think if he's not gonna die, then we can reach round 100. I seriously, Well, I just remember I seriously didn't reach around 100. Alright, we now already have 14 technological terrors doing work for us. One more going to here. Technological terrors buy us for money. So we have, what in the world is going on? Dude, please don't do this. We are right now at round 91. Don't send balloons. Come on, man. I mean, send balloon, but don't send. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure that he totally lose all the hope. And please don't surrender, man. I seriously don't want him to get disconnect or surrender. I will be super upset if he surrenders or something stupid did. I will be super frustrated on him. Alright, let him send these. Oh my god, because I'm pretty sure that nothing is going to be happen. We can take care of. Oh my god, no matter what. I just hope that he's not gonna end up surrendering, because it's round 39 is here. Only 7 rounds to go to complete our century. For my first ever century. That would be freakingly amazing. Please, bro, let me finish my century. I don't wanna end up this match. I seriously don't wanna end up this game at round 93, because I'm pretty sure I can hold this for like round 100 or something like that. He can also maybe hold. I don't know what is going on his side, but I think that he can hold off these because he has boost. Well, here's the one more bad thing about vacuum. Like, if your balloons are about to start to going through, you are not gonna let yourself know that, oh, your balloons are going through. You are not gonna recognize that, or if you want to boost, you can't boost. So there we go. We have around 20 technological terror right now. We have 20 technological terror by now, and they are doing a phenomenal job stopping all these. Oh my god, ZMD. What do you guys say? Is it known as oh my god or ZMD? Tell me in the down comment below, and I will say that I don't know. Maybe oh my god is a pretty great name, but GMG is not a bad name. But oh my god, I feel like it's a kind of monster or something like that. Well, it is a monster. Alright, round 95 is here. Oh my god. Well, literally this is my highest round that I ever been up to. My second highest was 91, and then my opponent had ended up surrendering, so it was a pretty bad thing for me, but we just crossed our record. So now I'm pretty happy right now. Oh my god, this is feeling me so good. Alright, so let's place one. Well, I literally have no idea where am I placing my technological terrors or my super monkeys. I don't know where. Come on. Alright, we just found out my place now. How much money do we have? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,700,000 rupees. Sorry, $1,700,000. It's not rupees, it's thousand. There's a hugely big difference. Round 96 is here, and we already have 21 technological terrors, 8 temples, and they are stopping all these. Oh my god, yummy, like just a piece of cake, seriously. And he's kept on sending me. Oh my god, I don't know how many of these, oh my god, that he sent me, but he's definitely going to end up all his eco that he just made. I think you got around 9,000 of decrease on per oh my god that you send. Yeah, I think you're going to have 9,000 on every single zombie I got that you're going to send. So he definitely going to end up all this money, all his eco. Now he's all right. We got another place. Oh my god, look at this. We have we reach around 97. I'm seriously, I mean seriously, what in the world this is possible to reach 97 round? Did anyone else in the world reaches this high round? Well, maybe people around there, but seriously, this is a huge achievement for him, for me, and I don't know what about him. He probably his first time over here because now he literally getting bored in this game because he's sending me all his oh my god and all that stuff. So he definitely not quite well. Come on. There has to be a way. Alright, there you go, found a place. Well, literally there are so many technological terror that now I can place like around 40 technological terror by now, but I don't know where to place because I literally barely can see my map now because all these oh my god and technological terrors are shooting and temples are shooting, so I literally can't see what's going on in my map, and he definitely have no idea what is going on his side. How many oh my god that he's going to send? I mean seriously man, he literally sending oh my god for a while now. Alright, look at this. We are well, you know what, I'm going to complete my eco to 15,000. So alright, round 99 is here. Round 99 is here. Round 99 is here. Round 99 is here. Wow. Alright. Let's start sending balloons. I'm going to take the snapshot when this round handle is going to show up, so I have to be ready. Alright. I'm doing this. Hope when this round 100 is going to show up on my man, he sent me another oh my god. Man, I want to take a snapshot when everything was clear. Alright, come on round 100. Show me your face, round 100. Show me your face. Alright. Quickly, let me just boost. Crap. Destroy. Shit, I missed it. Dang it. Man, I totally missed it. Man, whatever, but yeah, look at this. We are at round 100. I mean round 100, and this video is getting pretty long right now. Right now we are around around 1 hour long is going to be, and I mean seriously, round 100. We are literally at round 100. Oh my god, this is amazing. Well, I saw a video of Molt and Nick at Night playing, and they reach like around 109. Alright, so maybe the Molt end up losing that. Well, I'm a really big fan of Molt because I got a lot of inspiration from him because making all these balloon videos, Clash Royale videos. So he's a really great YouTuber. I think he's the best YouTuber of which makes balloon tower defense videos or the Clash Royale videos. Well, you know, the community of Clash Royale, of Clash of Clans who makes videos of this. So I think that Molt is the best who make the Clash Royale videos. He has the bestest videos that he makes. All these Galadon or Sung or whatever are their names. I really don't remember. Their videos are not as good as their Mold videos is, so but I don't know how Mold does not have all these only. Well, I have to congrats Mold on reaching 1 million subscriber over here. So I'm pretty happy for him, and I really want I don't know when we are going to reach that point of 1 million subscribers. Well, I don't know, is he have any idea that I'm right now recording? I don't think so. Alright, so I'm thinking to take a snapshot. Alright, this is going to be my 39th. Alright, so now we just need to place one more. There's a place, I saw it. There you go. Now we are going to upgrade this to what? There you go. Technological terror number 30. There you go. We are at 30 technological terror by now, and I don't know what is going on his side. Is he losing or winning? I don't know. What is going on his side? Seriously, what in the world is going on his side? I just can see all the, oh my god, Moab BFBs are moving right now, up down, this direction, that direction. Everything is messing around. Oh man, I can't believe I reached round 103. Oh my god, I seriously have no idea that this is ever going to be possible. Seriously. Alright, we need to reach 6 more rounds before we are going to alright, should I make this in 2 parts or let it be in 1 part? Well, I'm thinking to make this in 2 parts, so that would be freaking amazing. Come on. Well, now we don't have anything to do now. It's round 103. Eco is running on 14,302. I have more than $365,000 in my bank right now. He's sending me, oh my god, for a freaking endlessly while, and some balloons are getting through a little bit more further. They shouldn't have to, but they are. I don't know. I need to place more technological terrors, but alright, I just found a point. I just found a spot to place more technological terrors. There you go. Technological terrors. Alright, there's another spot to place. We are literally going to, there you go. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Come on, technological terror. There you go, we got ourselves a technological terror. Alright. Oh my god, this video is getting a freaking lot more longer than I ever expected this video is going to be. I literally thought that I'm going to end up at around you know what, that's it. As I'm going to reach, alright, you know what, I'm going to send him a lot of more apps. Now 105 is here. I'm going to send him a lot of frequently lots of more apps. This is definitely going to end up making him lose. Alright, is my Moabs are getting out? I don't know. I think my BFBs are getting out right now, and we can't tell because a frequency didn't know what is going on his side. What is going on his side right now? I think I need to boost. See, everything is moving in slow motion right now. Oh my god. Our eco is decreased from all the way from 14,000 to 300 by sending all these balloons, all these BFBs. And I still don't know what is going on right now at his site. And look at my site, round 106 is here, man. Round 106 is here. I'm going to send him a lot of BFBs till we are going to totally end of money. Oh man, we are getting end of money. Well, I have to see how many. 8.6. Oh. It really doesn't matter how many villages do you have. The maximum amount of eco that you can get using of one temple in a bonanza at 8.6. So it doesn't matter how many temples do you place. One temple is going to give you eco of 8.6. 10 temples is going to give you an eco of 8.6, not 86. Right. One. Take the snapshot. There you go. This is the snapshot of which I'm looking for. Totally clean. I'm 100% sure that he is right now totally out of money, totally out of eco, because now he's not sending me any oh my god, but I'm still sending him lots of oh my gods. No, sorry, BFB, lots of BFBs. Ah man, I don't know what is going on. I'm 100%. Oh, that would be freaking amazing if we can send him camo BFBs, camo Moab, camo. Oh my god. Well, in other like Balloon TD5 or all these, there are lots of other things like a full metal body of Moab that can only destroyed by all these towers, which can destroy metals. There is maybe a camo BFB, only those can take him out who can see camos. I don't know frequently what is going on in the world of his side. I have no idea. I'm pretty sure he also have no idea. I don't know if the only thing that you can see in his side is all these Moab, GFBs and oh my gods. That's it. There's literally nothing that you can see right now. Oh man, this video is getting freakingly long. I mean, we are 1 minute away to reach 1 hour long of this video. This is freakingly amazing. This is a good achievement for me. Well, alright, so we are still at $182,000 in the bank, even after sending a lot of these Moab. Oh my god. You know what? I might be in getting trouble. I'm going to. Come on. Come on. I need to power up. Ah, crap. I need to power my technological terrors. Come on, my technological terrors. Do the work. Do the work. Do the work. Do the work. Do the work, man. Alright, that's enough. Is he losing or not? What is going on inside? I'm seriously freaking out right now. Oh man. What is going on? Come on, kill him. Anyone. A BFB is not doing the work. Oh. Round 109 is here. This is their round, which I'm looking for since the round 1. No, it's not true. I'm looking for it since the round 100. So I'm pretty happy with this. I don't know. Look, all these BFBs coming around right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to power my technological terror. Come on, my technological terror, power up, power up, power up. Up the power. I'm going to use all the single power of all the technological terrors. I'm not going to die at round 109. Alright. I still don't know what is going on. Alright, come on, what is going on his side? How he was holding all these? I thought that he's going to end up frequency early. Man. Well, I'm still think that vacuums are not good. You shouldn't be used vacuum. Seriously, don't use vacuum. There's no way, there's no freaking way to use a vacuum. Oh man. Well, I don't know which one of us has a great mode defense, because I have 8 temples and I think that he has only 6, maybe 7 temples, and I have also 33 technological terror. Even after that, it's not look like to me that I am winning. I mean, there's one more thing. I think he's a hacker, because it's been a while since he's sending me BFBs, and he 100% totally out of money by now, or eco, and he is still sending me balloons. How he has all that money coming from? I mean, look at me. I totally came all the way from almost $400,000 to $54,000, and he's kept on sending me VFBs. How is this even possible in the world? Look at this. Round 111. I'm going to use some technological terrors. Come on, technological terror, do the work. Make me win. Make that guy lose. Come on, dude. What is going on? He must be end up losing by now. I need to boost. I need to boost. Let me use my first and last boost. I mean, not first, but my only and last boost. Come on. Technological terrors, do the work for me. Alright, we can hold it. We can hold this. Now, on the back of track to sending not eco, but a lot of BFBs. I mean, what in the world this is possible that he still kept on sending me balloons? I mean, seriously, how is this even possible? I mean, I'm literally came all the way from 9,000. I'm totally out of money, and he's kept on sending me BFBs. Fuck, man. This is I'm literally thinking that he's a hacker. All right. Come on, my technological terrors. Let me win. If he send me one more BF jump, my god, he definitely a hacker. Then he's definitely a hacker. There's no doubt that he's not a hacker. Come on. Round 112 is here, and we are facing a phenomenal number of lags over here. Even I'm facing not some lag, but a lot of lag. Even I'm playing on my PC, which can run GTA 5, and we are facing lag. See, he literally does not have a banana farm which can help him increase his money. He will be totally out of his eco, and He is literally, I have to be out of money, but he's on kept on sending me BFBs. Alright, whatever. Oh my god, they are. I know. Come on, man. Oh my god, I don't know how this is even possible. Round 119 is here. I mean, 113 is here. I think this is it. This is the highest round that anyone can ever achieve. I mean, you can't have a lot more better defense by it, because I'm using the most powerful temples, the most powerful technological terror. So literally no one else can reach this point. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need more technological terrors to work for me, because we are totally out of boots and technological terrors are getting out of powers and all these BFBs. And if we survive this round, then we definitely going to end up losing us next round. Now maybe, I'm pretty sure round 114 is the round in which I'm going to get lose. Seriously, this is the round. I think so that this is the round in which I'm going to lose. I don't know how he survives. I seriously don't know how he survived, but this is it. This is it. Let me quickly take a snapshot. There you go. Come on, fuck out of here. Alright, round 114 is here. This is the highest point that anyone can ever reach. Oh, my technological are restoring, so I'm going to use it. I can use it, man. I think I can survive this wave too. I think so. Oh man, dang it. We should have to send him all these BFBs with this balloon boost. That will end up making him lose. Shit, man. But now we are totally out of money, so now we can't do anything. Oh man. Oh my god, I can't believe that we survived round 114. Oh my god, round 115 is here. It's time to take another snapshot, but let all these maps get filled with, oh my god, and then we are going to take this freakingly amazing looking snapshot thumbnail. Alright, there you go. Look at this. Alright, round 115. This might be it, because now my technology terror are not restoring. My technological terror powers are totally out of it. Oh my god, it starts restoring. Oh my god, I think we can hold this up with this again. Oh my god. That's it? No, it's not it. It's still on. This is still on. Well, I think it is it. This is it. Round 115 is it. Now, we can survive it. There's no way that we are going to go down in this map. We can survive it. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. He sent me a BFB, oh my god, and then send me eco. Oh, that's a pretty damn idea. I mean, oh great, man. He literally did a great job. I can't believe it. Awesome, man. Alright, round 16 is here. Going to take the snapshot with all this. Oh my god. Oh man, technological terror are still doing a great job. Well, I thought that technological terror are totally used of waste with this power, because I think that power don't do anything. But now I think that this power do maybe something, I don't know, because I mean, how is it possible that we are reached round 116 while we are thinking at round 102 that we are going down? Seriously, I mean, look at this. We are still surviving this, and his side is now looking a little bit more clearer. Oh, take the snapshot. Fully clean stuff. Ah, my God. Round 117 is here. Oh my God. Ah, I have no idea how this thing happens. I think I'm definitely going to receive a mail from Ninja Kiwi on congratulating me on reaching 117 level. I think not even a single developer of him who reaches this run. Seriously, I don't know what about him, but this is a world record. I think this is a world record to reach this round without using a hack. Well, I saw, maybe I don't know whose video I watched, but that guy literally changes round from literally changes round to 200 or something like that, just like in a couple of seconds. Alright, you know what? One time I play in this ceramic crucible where I have to put 2000 medallions to play on this, and when I play there I face it one amazing hacker. So what that guy do is so what this guy do, I got there, he what he do, he start to put a lot of red spikes at the very end of the map, and like tons of, I mean seriously tons of, and then after 40 seconds he literally changed my level from round 5 to all the way to round 8, and then send me a lots of region yellows. I mean, at that time I don't have a good defense. I have only one wizard with lightning bolt, and he sent me a greatly fucking rush of a region yellows, and I end up losing. Alright, round 18 is here. Now all these Moab, alright, this is it, because all my Moab are reaches. This is the end. This is the end. There you go. This is the end. Oh my God, we survived at round. Alright, we goes down. Alright, that's it. That's it. Round 118th. Oh my God. This is the one of the most greatest epic match that I ever been into. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please leave a like down below and comment me down below if you want something else to watch on. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace out. Bye bye.